guys. So today I'm doing this super pretty, super dramatic look. Like, OMG, look at my cheeks. It's like metallic-y pink lips, beautiful bubblegummy, bright hot pink, magenta, crazy cheeks, and gorgeous yellow and brown eyes with super dramatic winged eyeliner. This look is so gorgeous and so perfect for like Halloween, and just looks really pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so I've already done the basic steps of Too Faced Shadow Insurance and so I've already done the basic steps, Too Faced Shadow Insurance and my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I applied this onto my eyelid and hooked it around the inner tear duct and went back up. And then I just barely blended it out with my finger, just tapping it kind of. That way it's still visible that it is white. The first shade I'm going to be using out of my Icing eyeshadow palette is this beautiful, bright, opaque yellow. And I'm going to be taking this on a flat brush, and I'm just going to get this color on here, and this could take a while, so I might either have to speed this video up, or this part of this video up, or just pause you guys and come back with you in a second, which I think that's what I'll do. Okay, so it looks more lime green on camera than yellow, but it is yellow. Alright, so for the deep brown, we're really going to have to get really opaque with the deep brown. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. quad, and this is in Butternut. I'm going to be using the deepest shade in here, and it takes a lot to get this color to be like super opaque. A sponge tip applicator would actually work better because it would pack color on so much easier, but you know I don't have one right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this. And I'm just going to go in my crease really dramatically. And remember, we have the tape right here, so it'll have a crisp, clean edge no matter if you go over the tape or not. Which that is one great thing about beauty and tape. Alright, so now that is done, we want to work on our eyeliner and make sure these are even, and they are. Now I'm going to work on my eyeliner. I'm going to use my In Color Fabulous Liner, liquid eyeliner, and go on the inner tear duct and line and wing it out, and then go on the bottom and connect the two in a wink. And don't fill in the little wing right there because it looks cool without it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I applied some mascara. I just curled my eyelashes and applied CoverGirl Volume Exact, and this is in just a black. And this is the completed eyes. It looks really pretty actually, and it looks just like my profile, or not my profile picture, but my channel background picture. I really like this look. For my cheeks, I'm going for a super hot pink blush. This is my MAC Pigment in Magenta Madness, and I just pressed it, a little bit of it, and I'm going to be taking this Physicians Formula brush that came with the Happy Booster blush. I'm just going to get a lot of this color on there. And remember, it's supposed to look dramatic, so don't worry if it's like a super blinding neon pink cheek. Because we kind of want that. Alright, so we pretty much have our cheeks done. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be layering 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss. The first lipstick I'm going to be using is my MAC Viva Glam Gaga 1. pretty light bubblegum pink lipstick. And the reason we're layering 3 lipsticks, or 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss, is because the lips on my background picture are beautiful bubblegum bright pink. And super metallic-y shiny. And as soon as I saw those lips, I knew that these 3 were going to be my combo for my lips. Next, I'm using this Profusion lipstick, and this is just a pretty pink one that I got for my birthday. And lastly, take the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss, and this is in Sinless, if you can see that. Beautiful metallic-y pink lip gloss. And just keep applying until you get the desired effect. Alright, this is the completed tutorial. I'm not sure what I'm going to name this yet. It's really pretty though. I like it. Bird of Paradise, maybe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.